Hey guys, Super Spino 2K9 here, and today, I am going over MMBFFVEHD 577 July's channel rules, so let's do this. 1. That proves you can't handle people unsubscribing to you. 2. That is proof you cannot even handle people ignoring your videos, and we can ignore them whenever the hell we want. 3. Can't handle hate much. 4. Dude, now you are gonna start to act like Donald Duck and Goofy, yes. Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse, no. 5. We can say that word whenever we want to. 6 and 7, same as 5, 8, I agree with this rule, be it you still suck for having channel rules. 9, we can comment too much whenever the hell we want to. 10. That proves you cannot handle people ignoring you. 11, same as 5, 6, and 7, 12, OMG MMBBF. You just send us a death threat. You know it's cold-hearted. 13, I have no words for this one. 14 and 15, that proves you can't handle being terminated or deleted. These channel rules suck, because he sends us a death threat at the 12th rule. Anyways guys, goodbye.